It's cooking time again. My recipe for today is potatoes, peas, and carrots curry. Today is 15 days of Ramadan. And today is March 26 and today is Tuesday. Sorry. Onions and garlics is already brown, so we can put now this tomatoes with green chili. And then we can put now this turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. And this is dried coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. Tomatoes is already paste now, so we can put now this mother or peas. Now we can put now also these potatoes and carrots together. Already cooked this matter, gajar, alo, or peas, potatoes, carrots, curry. So, lagyan natin ng toppings na coriander leaves. Ayan. Cooking now, pakora. This is first batch, second batch, and third batch. And then ito naman yung peas, potatoes, carrots, curry. After this one, magluluto ako ng chapati. Kasi how many minutes more? 40 minutes more before open fasting or iftari. So kailangan bago mag-open fasting or iftari ay prepare na lahat, nakaluto na ako lahat. So this curry, mother alo gajar curry, I transfer here because I want to cook rice here. So now I'm ready to cook now rice. So ito na lahat yung pakora. Ayan. Now cooking chapati. Ayan. Ito na yung fruit chat, guavas, bananas, apples, at saka dates. Wala nang strawberry, ubos na. Dates, sharbot na roapsa, at saka bumili din si Fad ng dew. Ayan. Ito na yung chapati, 10 pieces na chapati, pakora, at saka may nagbigay ng curry. Curry na, hindi ito curry na pakora yung niluto ko to 3 days ago. Gulay ito. Yan, may toppings na coriander leaves. Ayan. Ayan, luto na rin ang rice. So, 5 minutes more, there is already open fasting. For iftari, alhamdulillah, ready na ang lahat.